Hi students, I am Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, right now we are discussing about real numbers. Okay, and in real numbers in previous session we have completed completion method, children. Now in this session we are going to learn about logarithms. Okay, and children, from this logarithms topic definitely we will get 2 marks and 1 mark questions in public examination. Sometimes we are getting 4 marks problem also. Okay, now children, let's see what are these logarithms. Okay, suppose children, so these logarithmic functions are inverse to, okay, reverse to exponential function, children. So what is exponential function? Suppose children, you take a into a so on. Suppose it is there x number of times. Okay, suppose it is there x times. Then how we will write shortly? A to the power of x. Okay, suppose children, if a to the power of x is equal to some number n. Okay, so if a to the power of x is equal to n, then x is called logarithm of n to the base a. So symbolically we can write like this: x is equal to logarithm of n to the base a. We have to write this base small and here. Okay, so x is equal to log n to the base a. So children, here x is equal to called logarithm of n to the base a. Suppose 2 to the power of, suppose children, 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32 is there. Okay, so if 2 multiplied itself for 5 times, then that is equal to 32. And here this is called exponential form, children. Okay, this is called exponential form. And what is its logarithmic form? So we can write like 5 is equal to log 32 to the base 2. Okay, 5 is equal to log 32 to the base 2. Now children, let's see properties of logarithms. So properties, so children, these properties we will use to solve questions in logarithms. So one is log x base a plus log y base a. Okay, log x to the base a plus log y to the base a, there means we can write it as log of x into y to the base a. Okay, log x to the base a plus log y to the base a is equal log x into y to the base a. Suppose children, see one example, log 5 base 2 into log 8 base 2 is there. So what is its product? So that is log 5 into 8 base 2. That is log 5 into 8 base 2, children. That is equal to log 40 base 2. Okay, and the second property is log x base a minus log y base a is equal to. Okay, log x base a minus log y base a is equal. So children, so between the logs, if plus symbol, there means we will multiply these x and y. In between logs, minus symbol, there means we will take the quotient. So that is equal log x by y base a. Okay, log x by y base a. Suppose see one example, log 16 base 3 minus log 2 base 3 is there, children. Log 16 base 3 minus log 2 base 3 is there. We can write it as log of 16 by 2 base 3. 16 by 2 base 3. So 2 ones are 2 8s are. So that is equal to log 8 base 3, children. Okay now, log 8 base 3. So this is the second property. So next, log x power n base a. Log x power n base a, children. So if it is like this, that is equal to n log x base a. This exponent becomes coefficient. Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. So children, for example, okay, log 3 to the power of 8 base 5 is there. This can be written as 8 log 3 base 5. So this exponent becomes coefficient. Okay. Children, next property, a power log x base a. Okay, a power log x base a. Children, suppose here and here, if bases are same, x will come outside. So a power log x base a value is x, children. So for this example is, suppose 2 to the power of log 15 base 2 is there. Suppose 2 to the power of log 15 base 2 is there. So in this case, we can write directly this is equal to 15. So a power log x base a is equal to x. Okay, now children, two more important properties are there. Okay, so see. So one is log a base a. Okay, log a base a. So children, log a base a value is 1. Okay, log a base a value is 1. Suppose children example C, log 5 base 5 is there. Okay, that is 1. So why? Because children, any number, if any number is raised to power 1, then what it will be equal to the number itself. 5 power 1 is equal to 5, 6 power 1 is equal to 6, 10 power 1 is equal to 10. Okay, and 20 power 1 is equal to 20. So if you apply log to that, what will happen children? So suppose 5 power 1 is equal to 5. If you apply log, what will happen? Log 5 base 5 is equal to what? 1 only, no? So like this children. Okay now. So log 5 base 5 is equal to 1. And next property, logarithm of 1 to any base. A is not equal to 0 and A is not equal to 1. Okay, logarithm of 1 to the any base gives us 0. So log 1 to the any base is 0 children. So log 1 base 3, log 1 base 4, log 1 base 100, log 1 base 7, whatever you take, that is 0 only. Because if any number is raised to power 0, what will happen? That will be equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1, we have formula. 2 power 0, 1, 3 power 0, 1, 5 power 0, 1, 100 power 0, 1. So if you apply logarithm, what will happen? Suppose see children, 7 power 0 is equal to what? 1. If you apply log 1 base 7 is equal to, you will get 0. So logarithm of 1 to any base is 0 children. So these are the properties we have to remember to solve problems in logarithms topic. Okay. Now children, let's see exercise sums. First problem in exercise 1.5. So children, this is very important. From this bit many times they are asking one mark question. Okay now. Okay, so it's important for 1 mark. So children, see, determine the value of the following. First problem, log 5 base 25 is there. Okay now. Log 5 base 25 is there. So let's see how to solve. Log 5 base 25. So children, log 5 we can write as it is easily. 5 is nothing but 5 power 1, right? And 25 is there, we can write 25 as 5 square children. Okay, we can write, so you can write 5. Log 5 base 5 square is there. Okay, so children, we have formula, that is log x base a power n. Log x base a power n, there means you can write it as 1 by n log x base a. Okay, 1 by n log x base a children. So this is the formula. So here it can be written as 1 by 2 log 5 base 5 children. You can write it as 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. And again children, 1 by 2 into, we learned log a base a is equal to what? 1, no? Log of any number to the same value, to the same base value gives 1. So log 5 base 5 1 children, half into 1, that is equal to half. So one more formula we used, that is log a base a, which gives you 1. Okay, so this is the way to solve this problem. Now let's see second problem children. Log 3 base 81. It's similar to the first problem children. So you can write here log 3 base 3 power 4. Okay, so same formula. Log x base a power n is 1 by n log x base a. Okay, log a base a is 1. So similar to first problem, you can try second problem children. Now let's see third problem. Okay, let's see third problem. So what is third problem children? Log of 1 by 16 to the base 2. Log of 1 by 16 to the base 2. Children, 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so it can be written as log of 1 by 2 to the power of 4 to the base 2. Children, we have one formula in exponents. 1 by a power m is equal to what? A power minus m, no? 1 by a power m is equal a power minus m. So 1 by 2 to the power of 4 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 4. Okay, so you can write it as log 2 to the power of minus 4 base 2. Again we have formula children. Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. N log x base a. We have formula. What is that? Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. So here in the place of n, minus 4 is there and negative 4 is there. So it will come as coefficient. So that can be written as minus 4 log 2 base 2 children. Okay now, minus 4 log 2 base 2. So we have another formula. What is that? Log a base a is equal to 1. Okay now, log a base a is equal to 1. So it can be written as minus 4 into log 2 base 2 value is 1. That answer is minus 4. Okay, so its answer is minus 4. Now children, fourth problem depends on direct formula children. Fourth problem. So what is that? Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Any base you take. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. So directly you can write log 1 2 base 7 is equal to 0 since log 1 base a is equal to 0. Okay, now log 1 base a is equal to 0. Now let's see problem number 5 in first bit. Log root x base x. Okay, log root x base x. So children, root x can be written as x power half. Okay, so log x power half base x. And children, here you can use the formula log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. Okay, n log x base a, children. So half will come, friends. So that is equal to half log x base x. Again we have formula log a base a is equal to 1. Okay, log a base a is equal to 1. So half into log x base x is equal to 1. So finally that will be equal to half, children. So this is the way to solve this problem. And let's see next question, sixth problem. So sixth problem, log 512 base 2. Log 512 base 2. So children, we have to take the exponential form of 512 with base 2. So what we will get? So log, okay, log. So children, actually 512 is nothing but 8 cube. Okay, so 2 power 3 whole power 3. So that will be 2 power 9, children. So 512 can be written as 2 to the power of 9. 2 to the power of 10 means 1024. Okay, so log 2 to the power of 9 base 2. So here we can use this formula, children, log x power n base a. So that is 9 log 2 base 2. 9 into log 2 base 2 value 1, that equal to 9. So here which formula we use, children? Log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. Okay, and here which formula we used? Log a base a. Okay, since log a base a is equal to 1. Okay, final answer is here 9. Now let's say problem number 7. Log 0.01 base 10. Okay, so children, see how to solve this. Log 0.01 can be written as 1 by, write in fractional form, children. Instead of decimal point 1 in denominator, and after that 2 digits are there, so here 2 zeros comes. So log 1 by 100 base 10. And children, log 1 by 100 can be written as 1 by 10 square. Okay, so base 10. And we have formula 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. Okay, 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. So it can be written as log 10 square, log 10 to the power of minus 2. 1 by 10 square can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2. So here, children, again we have to use this formula base 10. Log x power n base a. Log x power n base a is equal to log x n log x base a. Okay, n log x base a. So children, log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. This is the formula. So it can be written as minus 2 log 10 base 10. Minus 2 log 10 base 10. We have another formula. What is that? Log a base a is equal. Log a base a is equal to 1, children. So here it will be minus 2 into 1, that is equal to minus 2. This is the answer. Now let's see problem number 8, children. Problem number 8. So log 8 by 27 by log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Okay, so children, this 8 by 27 can be written as 2 cube by 3 cube. Right? 8 can be written as 2 cube, 27 can be written as 3 cube. So a power n by b power m is equal to what? A by b whole power m. So this 8 by 27 can be written as 2 by 3 whole power 3 and base 2 by 3. Okay, base 2 by 3. So children, again we have to use the formula log x power n base a, that is n log x base a. N log x base a. So that is equal to, so children, it can be written as 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Okay, so 3 into log a base a is 1, no, children. So log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 value is 1. So 3 ones are 3. So here we used formula log a base a is equal to 1. Okay, log a base a is equal to 1. Children, neatly whatever the formulas we are using, please put in box. For that you will get good marks. Okay, now children, let's see the next problem. Problem number 9. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Children, 2 into 1 is 2 only, because 1 is the multiplicative identity. So you can write here 2 power 2 log 2 base 2, because here log 3 base 2 is there, children. So we can write it as log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. Why I have taken here log 2 base 2 means children here base is 2 and we can write it as log 2 base 2. Okay, we can write 1 as log 2 base 2. So if bases are same, we can simplify that. That is the reason. Okay, and see 2 power it can be written as log 2 square base 2. This n log x is equal to log x power n. So log 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2. Here which formula we use, children? Like n log x is equal to, okay, n log x base a is equal log x power n base a. Log x power n base a. So log 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2, children, here. So 2 power log 2 square value is what? 4. Log 4 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. Okay, log 4 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. We have formula, children. What is that? Log x base a plus log y base a. Okay, log x base a plus log y base a is equal to log x into y base a. Okay, log x into y base a. So it can be written as 2 power log 4 into 3. Okay, so base is what, children? 2. So 2 power log 12 base 2. 2 power log 12 base 2, children. So we have formula. What is that? That can be written as 12, children. Okay. So we have used this formula, children, here, since a power log x base a is equal to x. If here this base a base a both are same, then x will come out. So 2 power, so 4 3 are 12, children. Here we used log x base a plus log y base a, log x into y base a, that's log 12 base 2. So 2 power log 12 base 2, children. So both the bases are 2 and 2, so 12 came outside. We wrote it as 12, children. So which formula we used here? A power log x base a is equal to x. Okay, a power log x base a is equal to x. So that's it, children. So in this way we can solve this problem, and from this bit compulsory we can expect 1 mark or 2 marks question, children. 1 mark to pakka. Okay, so sure we can expect 1 mark problems from first bit. Okay, so children, with this problem I am ending this session. Okay, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. And children, you can find the previous videos of the real numbers in playlist as well as in description, in the given description of this video. So children, thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye.